Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. On 27th of November 2020, your examination for English paper is being held. Your English questionnaire would be of 100 marks, and out of 100, you have to attempt only 60, and whatever your gain would be out of 60, that would be proportionately raised to 100. Dear students, you need not to move beyond the 60% marks because there is clear cut concession of 40%. So you have to attempt only 60%, and whatever your gain would be, that would be proportionately raised to 100. Dear students, but the important thing is that you have to work hard in these days so that you can crack these examinations with nice percentage of marks. This digital platform is helping you to the greatest extent because the pandemic COVID-19 made school shut and you remain connected to your teachers, or you are connected to your teachers through this digital platform. Their students yesterday at about 9 p.m. a student called me, once again make me learn how to write a notes. Dear student, it is so simple to write down a notice when it is asked in the examination. Notice simply means information. In information, you put exact words, exact date, and exact venue. So you might have watched the number of notes is pasted in the public places. These notes are pasted there only for the information, short information about the an event, the date of event, and the venue of the event. So some more often the notes are asked and how to write down the notes. First of all, you should remember that the notice is within the box. It is written within the box because notes are always pasted in schools notes board. So the first important thing is that it is within the box, and it should not exceed more than 50 words. It is language should be easy, and it is date, venue, and time of the event should be clearly mentioned. So first of all, notes comes from a office. For example, if an event is going to in your school where you are enrolled, so that students may get information through notice about this event, and somebody is publishing that notice, and from an office of the school, this notice is going to be published. So first of all, there should be the at the top of the this inbox, there should be the name of the office where from this notice is being published. For example, office of the principal government higher secondary school Kokrusa, this should be mentioned in the on the top of the notes which is in the inbox. Office of the principal government higher secondary school Kokrusa. On the left there should be a date and time. For example, 24th of November, and its time is 11 a.m. On it is right, you can write down the notes in bold letters and also the subject below it, the subject of the notes, and then the body of the notes, which is very important. The body of notes says what event is going to takes place, on which date it's going to take place, and at what time it is going to be held. For example, your school is organizing an event on environment pollution or debate on environment pollution, and you are the secretary of the school and you are asked to draft a notes. But what is the procedure for it, or what are the conventions for writing down the notes then? So simple. First of all, you have to put the notes in inbox. That means your sheet of answer paper, you can mark their inbox and write down the name on the top of the inbox, that is the name of your institution, office of the principal government higher secondary school Kakrosa. On the left you can write down the date and time. For example, 24th of November 2020, and it is 11 p.m. Then the body of the notes, the school is going to organize a debate on the environment pollution on 25th of November 2020. For that, all students are informed to reach the school hall common hall at 11 a.m. sharp. And students are also informed to get yourself fully prepared for that event. And the MLA concern is the chief guest in that very function. So you have to keep in the mind that notes is write down in a box, in box, and at the top of the notes there is what? There is this name of the institution where from the notes is being published. On left there is what? There is date and time. In middle there is the notes written in bold letters, and below it is the subject of the notes, that is the debate on the environment pollution. And then the body, and body is very important. You have to put there the exact information, and then the who is publishing the notes. For example, yours secretary of the institution, he can put their signature and also write down what is his the designation there. This is how we can write down a note. So I'm repeating the things. Note simply means information. And first of all, you have to put the notes in inbox. Your sheet of paper and sheet of your answer paper is used for that inbox. You have to mark inbox. On the top of, you have to write down the name of the institution where from the notes is being published. On the left, you have to mention date and time. In middle, you have to write down the notes in bold letters. And it is language should be easy and simple. And you should not exceed more than 50 words. And then the body of the notes. In the body of the notes, you have to put the exact words, which event is going to take place on which date and which time, and which is who is the chief guest in that very function. And below you have to write down your name as the secretary of the institution, whatever it would be. And this is how we can write down the notes and can fetch easily 4 or 5 marks. And mostly it is given 4 to 5 marks as the weightage. Dear students, so it's a very important writing skill. You should keep in the mind that the notes is written down in inbox, and your sheet of answer paper is used as inbox. You have to mark that. On the top you have to write down the name of the institution from where the notes is being published. On left you have to write down the time and date. In the middle you have to write down there the notes in bold letters, and below it you can write down the subject of the note. Then the body is very important. In body you have to put the exact words, exact information, it means information. And below who's the publishing the notice, the name of that very boy or his designation, his signatures also. And this is how we can write down the notes and can fetch 4 or 5 marks if it's asked. And it's always asked. Dear students, this is all about the notes. Hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any confusion after watching this video, you can call me, and within short duration of time, when you post your query by any means, by WhatsApping, by calling, your query are should be answered. So, dear students, you have to work hard in these days, and work hard can take your sinking boat to the bank, because you are not physically in the schools. You remain at correct, connect to your teachers virtually, and this virtual mode can't be substituted for the actual mode of teaching. Dear students, you have to put extra efforts, you have to do extra hard work to crack this examination, and there is 40% clear cut concession. You have to attempt only 60%, and whatever your gain would be out of 60, that would be proportionately raised to 100. Do work hard. My prayers are with you, and you will get huge success in the coming examination. Thanks. Be well, asset.